In our technology plan for the Cartersville School District, we have put together a roadmap that would dictate the skills needed for our students for the 21st century. In this roadmap, we've also put together a team of individuals that will be here for the needs of the students. They will convey technology needs. It is a diverse group of people that also have the opportunity and have a clear understanding of industry-based technology, leading our students to academic success and making them more competitive in the educational field. Our mission is student academic success. We are here to work for our students, to prepare them for work readiness and life learning through the most useful state-of-the-art technology. The vision of the collaborative technology team is to provide a learning environment utilizing the most recent and leading technology for our students, teachers, and other support staff in the district. The value of educational technology has many components. We're going to go through these. Value one is global access. It allows our students to have access to information through digital technology, and it meets the needs of all different types of learners. It also, value two, talks about refining critical thinking. We want our students to be creative, and we also want them to enhance and develop in the area of rigor in the different curricular areas. Value three looks at the medium for expression and communication. We want to collect and share performance information, not just with our students, but with our teachers and other support staff. Value four, we want to provide an opportunity for our students to learn more information in less time. And this can be done through the use of computer-based instruction. And value five is to provide our teachers with continuous professional development as they work to develop and implement increased rigor and student interactions within the classroom. In our technology plan, we have 3 SMART goals, and each of these goals is designed again and developed in a means to promote student academic success. SMART goal 1, I apologize. We will enhance the broadband and Wi-Fi capabilities to enhance security and reliable connectivity across the district. We will also add in 2 new computer labs within the school district at our elementary schools. We want our students to be abreast of the 21st century learning skills, and outside of just the required furniture for the classrooms, we know we have to have a strong Wi-Fi signal to infiltrate the learning and to keep up with the newest and latest technology trends. The rationale to support our goals and strategies for goal number 1 is to assure connectivity for devices across the district. We don't want to have a weak Wi-Fi system. We want to make sure that we've infiltrated a strong system so that our students can have those strong academic gains and boost their educational engagement. Next, we want to make sure that our students learn and achieve. So from goal 1, we are looking at our students having access to more online resources, and having this access, we want to make sure our students are safe and secure utilizing the Wi-Fi programs that we have infiltrated throughout the school district. We also want to integrate more virtual learning assignments to have continuous learning outside of the classroom environment. So some of the strategies we will use to achieve these goals is to increase the district Wi-Fi bandwidth. We're going to make the required renovations across the district to ensure every school is up to speed with their broadband and Wi-Fi capabilities. We want to increase the network security. Now that we have more people on the network, we want to make sure that we're protecting the data of our students, faculty, and staff. And we also want to monitor and revise the data policy as needed to ensure everyone is abiding by the rules and regulations. Now we're going to look at Smart Go 2. Smart Go 2, in this particular Smart Go, we're putting devices in each student's hands. We want each of our students to have a Chromebook or a tablet to utilize in the classroom. And we also want to look at increasing literacy and math scores by 5% as measured by benchmark summative assessments. And we would do this by looking at the 21st century learning skills, because Chromebooks to connect with classes and communities throughout the country is more mainly utilized in this day and time. We're going to produce more productive citizens, and we want to give our students active engagements. These are some of the rationales used to support goal number 2. And one-on-one technology enables individual needs to be addressed. Therefore, the teacher can, in order to increase student achievement levels, teachers need to teach the required standards, and teachers are better equipped to implement the standards when they have access to address the needs of each individual student. And some of the outcomes that's expected in terms of student learning by our Smart Go 2 is to enhance student communication skills, increase academic scores by 5%, and of course the data assessment. Students will also, some of the strategies we will utilize is instructional lessons. So we would give them lessons on the uses of the devices, internet etiquette, some Web 2.0 tools, and online assessments. And Smart Go 3, we will utilize resources to interact and connect online and face-to-face. And again, we will look at the social media platforms to ensure students are safe and they understand the safety and etiquette of utilizing these particular tools. This would develop and create teacher-learner relationships, and so our learners will be directly engaged in their environment and have a clear understanding. So the teachers will now act as advisors and not teachers. And so we will utilize social media to connect with others, provide effective communication for our students, and access to content so that students can overcome some obstacles. And so some of the strategies that we will use to accomplish this goal is to create our students will learn how to create various Google accounts and the utilization of different Google programs. We will introduce students to social media and social media etiquette and safety. And we will also provide different updates on social media platforms as they actually change. And so teachers will also look at professional development for each of these goals. So we will have training sessions for teachers to assist students with computer skills and for various lessons and proper usage of our Chromebooks, along with the social media applications that will be utilized in the classroom for class instruction. The district also has put in place an acceptable responsible use policy to ensure everyone is following the rules and regulations and the expectations of the school districts. And so students will be responsible for certain internet training. We will utilize virus protection software to kind of keep out some of the, to void out some of the bad sites that students may try to go to. And we will have very defined consequences in place for our students and staff. So we want to make sure we have a solid network infrastructure, lay down the foundation so that our students can have the educational success and academic success that we are seeking within our school district. So the framework for students and teachers, we look and we tied these into the IST standards. And so each of these standards basically says the importance from a student standpoint, from the teacher standpoint, and an administrative standpoint. And so these standards are designed to develop and, to meet the needs of the ever-changing society, along with the digital age skills and needs for teaching and learning. And so we want to make sure we're creating technology, enhanced learning and environments for academic success of our students, because the impact on all these things is going to allow us to have the necessary academic gains. We're going to have curriculum enhancement, positive community relationships, and our students will become global learners. Thank you so much for your time today and for all those that played a part in completing this project.